When was the last time you wore necklaces? I know for me, it's been quite some months. It's been the last thing on my mind is to put on a necklace. However, when you just push yourself that extra mile to think, would a necklace add something else to this outfit? Go for it, because I think they're gonna make you feel really happy. So take a look at what I've done. I've actually put 2 necklaces together, and I love to play up different lengths and different sizes together to make an interesting look. Adding a necklace just really does change the look of what you're wearing. So remember, dig out your necklaces, pop them on, and layer them too. Give it a try, and I hope this inspires. Bye.